Okay, hi guys, and thank you for watching this episode of Cooking with Benoit. Today I will prepare a classic French sandwich, le Croque Monsieur. It's a mix of ham, of cheese, of bread. You can add or not tomato if you want, it's pretty good with a tomato. And white sauce, also known as sauce bechamel. Okay? Le croque madame, which is another form of the same sandwich, has a sunny side up egg. Sunny side up egg on top of it. It's also very delicious. You'll see. Well, you'll see if you do it, because I'm not gonna do a croque madame today. I'm doing the croque monsieur. Monsieur. What you will need to make croque monsieur for 4 guests is 4 slices of bread, 8 slices of cheese, such as cheddar, and slices of peeled tomatoes, 4 slices of ham, 1 cup of thick bechamel sauce. Watch the no comment video to check how to make a bechamel sauce. Some shredded cheese to cover the sandwiches before you grill them. French word of the day. The French word of the day is sandwich, for sandwich. Sandwich. LOL. Preheat oven grill. Toast the slices of bread in a toaster by 2 to get only one face toasted. Display bread, toasted face down, on an oven tray covered with parchment paper. Display ham on top of the bread slices. Then display tomato slices. Then cheese slices. Evenly spread the white sauce on top of it. You will have to make sure that your white sauce is thick enough not to leak around the toast. Sprinkle shredded cheese on top of it. Grill in the oven for 15 minutes. I hope you enjoy watching this video, so please give us a thumb up and show your support. You may also want to comment and let me know what is your favorite sandwich, for example. Also, subscribe to the Cooking with Benoit channel and show your support that I already said. You'll be notified with all the new videos we publish. It helps us a lot. In the meantime, merci, au revoir et à bientôt, monsieur ou madame. Monsieur ou madame.